Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Tonight we're doing two boxes of masterpieces. Break number 119. Here's our list of winners and their respective teams. Again, I'll thank everyone for taking part. It's appreciated. There's your serial numbers: 6616 and 6298. There you go. 117 is the break number. 119. A little confused here. Okay, there's our time. 22:27. It's the 12th of June. And before we get to the break, we're going to jump up and do the random for the two entries into the free box break of 12-13 Limited. Okay, so if I can get wound in here. So every name is in there, or every purchase is in there, shall I call it, 3 times. And I'll just scroll down here, maybe, if I can find my mouse. Where the heck is it? There it is. Okay, we'll just go through them slowly here. So the names will be random, 4 times. The team on top at the end of 4 will get a free entry, and the team on bottom will get a free entry. And I believe, yeah, okay, so let's get this party started. So there's one. We got Wayne Wardo on top and Indie Bluesman on the bottom. Let's do it again. Wayne Wardo on top, Wayne Wardo on the bottom. Well, Wayne Wardo, let's try this 3 times. Danny SS123 on top, Wayne Wardo on the bottom. He's pretty good, Wayne. And fourth and final time, we got Grace J69 on top and TB Labnick on the bottom. And I guess you can't quite see that it's 4 times. Yeah, I'll bring that up a little bit. There's your 4 times. TB Labnick and Grace J. Okay, so that is our random out of the way. I just need to come back here. We'll come back here next week. And please come on. Alrighty then. Let's try that. Get this out of the way. I think we need to... I think I need to find my chair. Don't need to stand up anymore. So, here's our serial numbers we mentioned, 6619, 2030. Wow, what did I do there? 2030. Just give me a second. Sometimes my head doesn't work quite right. Well, I don't know where I got that box number from. I really don't. Oh, hang on, might have been down here. Nope. It must have been one of the ones that was in the ad already. I apologize. Nonetheless, it's 2 breaks, 2 boxes. They're still all sealed up here. Sometimes I have a hard job when I'm doing the ads to get everything right. As you can see, it says 119 on this, and it's 120 I put, or 117. I just couldn't see that when I put it on, I'm sure, tonight. Okay, there's box number 1. Where are we at here? Let's put that up a little bit. Oop, falling over drunk there, I think. Okay, good luck, everybody. We have got for the LA Kings, Wayne Gretzky, wire photos. And that goes out to Team Carol Team. Can't get situated. What up with that? Okay, here we go now. Vanny Kuchtanov, rookies for the Capitals. Going out to Dal Walkie. Congrats. And for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Mr. Kessel. That's going out to Wayne Wardo, 1, 2, 3, 4. Big old base pack. Joe Sakic. Going out to TK Labnik 1. Let's see, Masterpieces black and white portraits. To the St. Louis Blues, Ty Ratty, rookie, red border. St. Louis's Cadet Duke wins. Well, Cadet Duke, you're one of the winners. That is for sure. We got Drew Doughty, jersey. So next week, I'll have on Thursday night, box of ice and a couple boxes of Masterpiece. Saturday night, I'll have a couple boxes of Masterpiece and 3 boxes of Showcase. So for St. Louis, no, for for the Preds, going out to T. Brian 714, Seth Jones. So hopefully you'll be able to get in on those breaks. They'll be listed. The Thursday night one is listed now. The Saturday night one, that'll be listed tomorrow night. Patrick Kane, going out to JNC Cards. Black and white portraits. I haven't hauled an auto on those yet. That'd be pretty neat. Nice Bobby Orr auto would work, huh? And we've got 4 Wayne Wardo, 1, 2, 3, 4, Dustin Byfuglien. A little bit of a jersey there, Mr. Bean. What? That's my wife's saying. I gotta say, it's not my original. She's the one who thinks he looks like Mr. Bean. I don't know why she would do that to Mr. Bean. Just joking. I guess if he was a Bruin, we'd love him, right? That's probably true, right? Another base pack. I think these are like 5 base packs in a box. For the New York Rangers and Arenome 2, Henrik Lundqvist, red border. And what are we going to have here? It's going to be a random. Panthers and Buffalo Sabres. So Buffalo is Grace J69 and Panthers is Jeffrey 67407. We'll set that one aside. Hopefully we won't forget about it. There you go. Jeffrey 67407. Jonathan Drouin, rookies. Not numbered. Come on. 2 packs to go. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, Phil Kessel, Wayne Wardo, 1, 2, 3, 4. For the St. Louis Blues, Cadet Duke Wins, TJ Oshie. Alex Ovechkin, Masterpieces black and white portrait with a chunk of red. Going out to Dal Walk. There's your first box gone. Let's get right into the second one. There we go. Rookies, Brandon Gormley for the Arizona Coyotes. Going out to TK Labnik. Congrats. Can move that pile, can't I? Ryan O'Reilly for the Avs. Going up TK Labnik. Whew. I think I gotta go to bed. It's tired. It's tired. Yeah, see, I'm tired. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, TK Labnik 1, Mario Lemieux. For the Wings. Rizzy Dizzy 91. Close enough. Rizzy. Gets Nicholas Backstrom. Lidstrom. Jesus. Okay, I'll just shut up and show you the cards, I guess. That was for the Detroit Red Wings. Nicholas Lidstrom. Oh, excuse me. Sidney Crosby for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Terry Sawchuk for the Wings. And we've got a Black Bacchus, 35 out of 50, upside down, turning me. St. Louis going out to Cadet Duke wins. Well, Cadet Duke, you might be the winner. We shall see. For the Panthers, rather, we got Aaron Ekblad, red rookies, red border rookie. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, we got James Van Riemsdyk. Wire photos. We got 5 packs to go. And rookies for the Bruins, Alexander Kovalchev. For the Panthers, Jonathan Huberdeau. Red board. What's up here? Stevie Y for the Red Wings. That's a shiny sucker. Tyler Toffoli for the LA Kings. Team Carroll team. Two packs to go. Nice thick one here. Black Attack for the Red Wings. It's a stick. Henrik Zetterberg. Sweet. Numbered 1 out of 35. Going out Rizzy 91. Congrats. Last pack. sweet. Curtis Lazar, Rookies Auto. Going out to Wayne Wardo. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's all she wrote for the cards. Let's get to that randomization. So, how we do the randoms here, as you heard at the first of the video, we go put the teams in 3 times, and we random them 4 times. So we've got for anyone who has forgotten, here's the card. Aaron Ekblad and I can't see. Sam Reinhart. Okay. See if I can get this up there. Panther Sabres, Panther Sabres, Panther Sabres. That's how it goes. That's the order that they're in. There you go the first time. And I knew that was going to happen. I did. So let's try it right there. Let's do it again. Number 2. Panthers on top. Number 3. Sabres on top. 4th and final time, and the card goes to the Sabres. Right there, and 4 times. Okay, Sabres is Grace J 69. Congratulations. Okay, that's it for the breaks for this week. Good night. Happy bidding. Hopefully we'll see you next week.